So today we're doing an alternator on this 2007 Chevrolet Impala. This one's a 5.3. As always, don't forget to check the video description down below for the best prices on parts and products we use in today's video. Let's check it out. Alright, so today is just a quick overview video. There's videos out there that say you got to get on that tensioner, you have to lift the car and take the wheel off. You can watch that full video if you want to see how to do it this way. I'm just here to tell you and encourage you, you can do it without getting to that tensioner. Basically, all we did here, of course you're going to do your little squeeze pull. It's got like a locking thing, you push down. It's blue, you just push that lock down, then squeeze, and then pull your connector off. And then of course you got a 13. And I got up here, you take that off, get him out your way. Then we have four 15mm bolts, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm here to tell you, you can remove this alternator by removing these 4 bolts. The alternator will flip forward, you'll pull it out, you can take your new alternator, put it in, and the way I did it was I took this big old pry bar and I would kind of push. So I got my pry bar right there. I kind of push, and then with my other hand, I started with this bolt right here, and I was able to get this bolt started, then this bolt started, then this back bolt started. And the way I got that one down was I took the pry bar, got it on the head, and then tapped on the end with my hammer. And you can also use the hammer to tap and move the alternator around while you're working on it as well. So I'm just telling you, it is possible without getting to that tensioner. And I was able to knock it out pretty quick. So that's it. If you just struggle so much, you may want to take the wheel off and try and get to the tensioner, but I'm just telling you, you can do it. Keep trying. So that's it. Thanks for watching.